Hi, my name is Mrs. Hill, and welcome to Mathematics in the Workplace. So, I just wanted to show you around the class some to give you an introduction. But if at any time you need extra help or want to reach out, please do so. So, when you go into the class, you're going to see that you have a home page here that'll have a teacher feed on here or a news feed. And here I'll post stuff that you may want for the class, maybe some helpful information, sometimes just fun stuff. So, make sure you're checking here at least once a week. Also down at the bottom here, you'll see my instructor information. So there's a phone number here. There also is an email here, but the best way to email me is to go through your messages tab in the student learning portal and send me a message there. Also, you can have a link here if you want to set up a discussion with me, and that way you know what time to meet with me at. And it says that my office hours are 7 to 8 a.m. Wednesday morning, but really I'm available almost all during the school day. So just reach out to me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So when you're ready to actually get started in the class, you have two options. You can either click the Start Here tab, or you can go up here to your lessons. But if you go to your Start Here tab, it will take you to this page here. Um, at first, you're going to go to the Get Started. There'll be a welcome letter for me that's important for you to read, a student orientation review that will review things like how do you message me, how do you submit an assignment. So make sure you go through that. And it also has your first assignment in here, your introduction to the discussion board. This is just a small assignment to let you get to know some of your classmates better. This next tab has additional resources for you. This is information that will give you extra help in all the sections, videos that I've posted in there or links that maybe you might find useful. Also, if you want to redo an assignment, here's the directions for that and just some frequently asked questions about the class. There's also some extra formula sheet, keywords, place value charts, so make sure you check that out. When you're ready for the lessons, you'll click on Unit 1 and you can launch the unit, and then you can press 1.1 and then the 1.1 with the Lego next to it. And this will actually give you the lesson for here. And you can click through here when you're ready to go, but down here will get you to each page of the lesson. So make sure you go through every one of those, try all the tabs, make sure you do everything. And then you're going to go through and do this for all of the units in Unit 1, all the lessons. And when you are done with that, you're going to go to your project, which is the Unit 1 mini project. So if you go through here, it will give you the directions for this assignment. You can work through this, and then you're eventually going to, when you are ready, post your assignment to the discussion board. You can do that by just scrolling down here and you can press start a new thread, and that's where you post your assignment. If you want to look at the rubric, it's right here for you to go over. So make sure you do that for all of your units, and when you're all done, there is a final exam down here. Other important things for you to look at is when you are ready to, when you submit something, if you want to see feedback on it, you can go to the My Progress tab and then the quizzes or assignments, discussion boards, and that will take you there. You could also go to course activities and then click on discussions, assignments, quizzes, and that will take you to where you can see feedback that I've left you. Sometimes you may want to go into the assignment. The feedback is actually left in the assignment and not where you can just read it until you open it. So make sure you open everything up. Another place I would like you to look is on your homepage. On the right side, there are some tabs for you to go over. One is the Start Here tab, which we saw. One is the syllabus for the class. This one is very important. It's your pacing guide for the class. Make sure you review that. It will show you how to get to where you figure out what assignments you should be working on every week. Your grades for the class, policy, including plagiarism policy, and things like that. If you need help from tech support, you can go there. And if you need help converting videos to text, this will help you with that. If you have any other questions about the class, go to the student learning portal, send me a message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Remember, reach out